Hey Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw socks from Disney Pixar's Lightyear. So let's get started. To draw this cute robot cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, not too far apart, say about right here, and draw another huge circle. Try my best to match the other circle here. So nice big circles, two of them. About that much. And then from there, we're going to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Oops, too low. Okay. There, so I have these two huge eyes in. Then I'm going to come to the top of each eye, just on the sides right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes is where we're going to draw the nose and the mouth. So right in between, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve to create this kind of this ovalish shape right here, right in the center. So right in between the eyes. And then before I finish this curve, I'm just going to come right down the center and just give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to go up on both sides to create the nose, this wide V. Then I'm going to bring a straight line down, just say about that much. And then from there, I'm going to come out at an angle and another angle, just like the other side. And then go ahead and connect it with a curve. And another curve. So whatever is easiest, you can go this way first, if that's easier for you. Just want to bring it all together with a curve right here. And then at the bottom, we're just going to add another curve. There. So now we have the mouth and the nose. Then from there, we have to frame these this face. So let's come above, let's see here. Let's come to where the eye is. The top of our eye, I'm going to come out, say about this much. And same thing over here, about this much. Not too far apart. We're just going to go ahead and draw our basic bottom, basic dumpling shape. Sorry. So I'm just going to come right here around the eyes. So it's just basic dumpling shape that I give to most of my characters. So it's just kind of wider at the cheeks. And then we're going to come, let's find our center once again. And I'll just come down to say about right here. Not too far apart. Not too far away from the chin, I mean. And this is where I'm going to aim to draw towards for the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and connect, straighten out towards the bottom. There, and the same thing over here. So when you're drawing pretty big, it just makes everything easier. And give yourself some points to connect to. Okay, so now I have this huge face it. Then from there, I'm going to go up. So my dumpling shape. So it's going to be a little bit narrower at the top. So go up, say about right here towards my center. And then I'm going to come back down and connect. There. Okay, so now that I have the head in, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So in this area, start about right here. And I'll just go up, round off the tip. About right here, then come right down. and then we'll come inside and draw the inside. So just follow your outside. So this side might be a little bit thicker. You can make that thicker and then make this side right here a little bit thinner. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Right here, let's drag points across, and let's go ahead and we're just going to go up, and I'll drag this point across, so approximately, say about right here, same height, and then round it off and bring it right back to your point. There, and once again, make this part a little bit thicker, round it off, and then thinner on this side and down. Okay, so then now we have our head in, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. So right about here, we're going to center our neck. So I'll bring this down because we have this collar we need to draw, a little collar right there. And then before I finish that, I'm going to come right back to the center. Give yourself a little bit of space. And I'm just going to draw a curve and then bring it straight down to say, I won't end it yet. So then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that hits this and goes right back up. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw this curve first and then put this in. This is just for the collar. So then let's go ahead and connect right here to finish the collar, and then so then about right there I'm gonna, oops, I forgot, sorry, I need to draw a circle here. Okay, so before you finish that, we should have come in here and drawn a circle. Sorry about that, I got a little confused. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw this circle first for the tag on the collar, and then I'll end this about right here. Okay, so I'm going to come in here real quickly, sorry about that, and erase this part right here. So if you're using a pencil, just finish the collar first and then draw in this circle. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the shoulders. So I'm going to bring this out for the shoulders, and then about right here I'm going to pop it out a little bit because this is a robot cat, right? So I'm going to pop it out, and let's see here, about right here I'm going to bring it in. So I'm going to create this curve right here. Same thing here, just create this little curve, and let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this down, bring it. So I'm just kind of coming in, and then about right here I'm going to straighten out, and then I'm going to curve out to about right here. So let's follow that. We're going to come down and then curve out, and then about right here I'm going to pop it out for a paw and connect. So then let's continue this curve for the paw, and then come in here with two small curves. So let's draw the same thing over here. We're going to come in a little bit, just like the other side, and then straighten out. And then about right here, we're going to start to curve in. So same level as that, and then right here as well, just thicken up and come in. And about right there, once again, we're going to curve out for a paw and connect. And then two small curves. Okay. From there, let's go ahead and let's see, I'm going to go ahead and connect it about right here with a slight curve. Then let's draw right here. We're going to draw the chest area, so it's the white area. So I'm going to draw a curve right here. And then in between, because it is a robot cat, we have these sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and another curve right here. So two curves, and then different color, the little paw is white right here. So I'm going to cut it off, and then the back legs. So let's come to about right here. I'm going to bring it in, and about right there, pop out a curve and connect. So this back paw will be a little bit higher. I'll just add one curve in there. So same thing here. So curve it out. And about right here, pop out the back foot and connect. And then you can add one curve in there. And let's see, then a tail. So let's add a tail about right here. And I'm just gonna go up for a simple tail and then bring it right back in. And then let's write the this cat's name. So right in this area, I'm just gonna write socks. So S O and then X. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Socks the robot cat here turned out from Disney Pixar's Lightyear, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.